Welcome to this new video. Let's consider this simple little program. Or if you insert the angle in degrees, you have to convert it to radians. Then, let's execute it. Or if we want to see a graphic representation, we use the sine function of the Commodore 64 Basic, but how does the Commodore 64 perform the sine function? Let's look at it in detail. ROM's routine starts at address E26B 57963 in decimal notation. Let's analyze it step by step. In Basic, In Basic, In Basic, puts in the ACC, and Y registers the starting address of the approximation table of the sin function, that is, compute odd degrees polynomial. In Basic, to sum up, to try it, Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.